Every once in a while, I come across a product that I initially think might be gimmicky and then realize I am using it on the daily. And that is the case with Hollywood Fashion Secrets sponge. This is a deodorant removal sponge. It also will remove lint, cat hair, whatever is on your clothing without any water, without any harsh abrasives, and it does like nothing to my clothing either. No damage, just really clean, quick removal, especially of those deodorant marks that we sometimes get on our clothing. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, because it really is as simple and powerful as it sounds. Now, while you can get deodorant stains on everything, I do think that black is the most obvious. And so I am actually going to put a stain on this. I'm going to do a transfer stain, since that's normally how we cause stains on our clothing. And so now I have white on the shirt and good old deodorant stain. And all I'm going to do is take this and wipe, try and get some cat hair as well. And it is gone, just like that. I'm gonna see how far I can go with this. So I'm going to try to actually put a line of deodorant right on the shirt, which will be much more obvious. And obviously that's not a transfer stain. That's going to be a little bit harder to get out, I assume. But let me see, because so far this has gotten everything out on my clothing when I'm wearing it, and that came out instantly. This really does work. Now, I've already been using this a lot, but I usually use it on my clothing once I've put something on, and it's a little slower that way. This is the first time I've tested using all the pressure by pushing on a table, and it went so much faster. So if for any reason it seems like it's going a little slow or doesn't seem as impressive as I just showed you in this example, that's because you're wearing it and it's just not the same traction, not the same pressure. But with a little bit of pressure and a quick scrub, this definitely works, and it is reusable. It is made to last. I have no idea how long it will last since I just got it. I've only used it a few days, but at this point, I don't see any reason why I won't have this for many months, possibly years. But considering the price, I will probably replace it after a few months if I need to, and not see any issue with that, because this really does solve a problem in the most convenient way possible. If you deal with deodorant lines on your clothing, this is something you'll want in your bathroom, perhaps in your car, in your bag for those emergency moments. This is really cool.